Is this visible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
बीच में पूछा जाएगा तो आप तुरंत रिप्लाई करेंगे. We have studied in previous class the Mediterranean forest. Today we will study about the temperate softwood forest. Temperate softwood forest, it is called temperate because it is found in the temperate zone above the Tropic of Cancer, 23°, and below the Tropic of Capricorn, 23°, to the south, both sides of the equator. Above 23°, north, it is Tropic of Cancer, and below the Tropic of Capricorn, this is the temperate zone where we found the type of forest in comparatively cold climate. So it is called temperate, moderate climate, not like so hot and humid and with heavy rainfall like tropical forest. And it is also called softwood forest because the wood of this forest is also soft, means not as strong as the woods of the tropical evergreen or tropical deciduous forest. So it is called softwood forest. And this forest is also commonly known as the coniferous forest. It is called so due to the conical look of the trees. The top of the trees are narrow, and below, when we comes from top to bottom, the bottom is some extent broad, cone shape. You must have seen the ice cream cone, this shape. And these forests are mostly found in the high altitude, ऊंचे जगह पर पाया जाता है. That means it is mostly found on the mountainous region या mountain region. That's why this forest is also known as the mountain forest, mostly found in the mountain area. The location of this forest means the forest generally found in Europe, Asia, USA, America, Canada, where there is the mountain regions. In the top of the mountain, this type of forest is located. In India, this forest is found in the Himalayan region, because you know half of the India in tropical zone. The Tropic of Cancer, 23°, north latitude. It cuts India into two equal halves. So in south side, you will get the tropical evergreen or deciduous forest. Tropical forest you will found. Or where is the cold region? This is the area of Himalayan mountain. Area of Himalayan mountain means the top of the Himalaya, not the completely tip from middle to above. In India you can find this, or these forests generally receives rainfall in the form of the snow. Due to the coldness, the rain change into snow. Here in the map you can see, the map is visible to you or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
In the map you here see Asia, where is India located. The green colors, you see in your world map. This is the part of the coniferous forest, mountain forest, or temperate subtropical forest. Left side, this is the in the left side of your map you see the US and Canada. This portion, USA, this is part of Canada. In India, you see the here Himalayan region. I am marking here Himalaya region, India, and some other part of the Asia. This is other part of Asia, and some part of Europe. Here see the European part. These are the areas of coniferous or mountain forest in our world. Next you see the features or characteristics of the forest. The trees are tall and conical in shape. Due to this conical shape, the name is also given coniferous forest. here you say the trees are tall, conical in shape, or the advantage of this conical shape to these trees are the snow cannot accumulate on the trees. The snow just slip down, cannot stay on the trees or leaves. And these trees also do not shed their leaves.
Sir, your voice is not clear.
Okay. These trees are not shed their leaves, so throughout the year the forest looks green. And the leaf of the trees is needle shaped, means not broad like the leaves of the forest of deciduous or the evergreen forest. Narrow leaves are there. The types of trees here, these trees are not well known to us. We may not have seen this, but the name of the trees are pine, fir, spruce, cedar, deodar, silver fir, chestnut, and walnut. These are some common trees of this forest, and these woods are very much useful for the commercial purpose. Because why it is important for commercial purpose? Because these trees are used in plywood. In plywood making, in upper and lower, there are two thin sheets of hardwood, but in between there are some pieces of woods. प्लाईवुड को देखेंगे, उसके अंदर में ऊपर में बहुत अच्छी दो पतला सीट रहता है. जब प्लाईवुड टूटता है, सड़ता है, तो उसको तोड़ा जाएगा, देखा जाएगा, अंदर में बहुत सारा छोटे छोटे टुकड़ा है. These are the woods of the softwood forest. And the animals found in these forests are Kashmir stag, spotted deer, Tibetan antelope, snow leopard, tiger, and golden eagle. These are the animals found in this type of forest. Sound सुनाई दे रहे हैं?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Now see
Yes,
Yes.
the picture of some of the animals. Here the spotted deer having spots on its back, snow leopard, white color, snow color with some black spots, This is the golden eagle. This is the Kashmir stag. This is the picture of a coniferous forest. Coniferous forest, mountain forest, temperate softwood forest. Three different names are given to the same forest. See the conical shape of this trees. Tips are sharp. These are the types of trees. This is the pine forest. This is the distance view of the forest. See the conical forest, mostly located in the mountainous area, and there is snowfall also. Is it visible clearly to you?
Yes, sir.
साफ साफ दिखाई दे रहा है?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. This is the deodar tree and chestnut trees. Now come to the advantages of forest. In your book there is three types of forest. We have studied tropical hardwood forest. In tropical hardwood forest there is two category: tropical evergreen forest and tropical deciduous forest. According to the high temperature and rainfall, tropical evergreen forest more than 200 cm, average 200 cm rainfall, and other is 100 to 200 cm rainfall. Tropical deciduous trees forests. Then the Mediterranean forest, those are located mainly in the coastal area of Mediterranean Sea and some seashores of other part of the world. According to the Mediterranean Sea, the name is given Mediterranean forest. Then today we see the temperate softwood forest. Three types of forest here. Now we will study about the advantages of forest. Advantages of forest, all of you know in your science also. Forests are the breathing lungs of the civilization. Whether it is human being or animal kingdom, forest is the breathing lungs. Without forest, no living thing can survive. It means its importance is life and death. If it will be present, then life will be present. If it is not there, life is not possible on the earth. In point wise, if we count the benefits and advantages of the forest, the first is forest helps in the breathing system by converting the carbon dioxide into oxygen. First point. Second, forest provides habitat to the wild animals. In the living beings, flora and fauna, animal kingdom and plant kingdom. In animal kingdom, forest is the house of all the wild animals. Even some people like tribal people, they also resides in forest. Forest is their home. And third point, we people depend many of our necessary products on forest. We get some medicines, some daily use product like honey. Next point, forest provides livelihood to many people. Not it provides food, wood, and forest product for the all the people. The city people purchase this, get the benefit from it, but forest provides livelihood, daily earning source for some people. Those are residing in a nearby area of the forest. The villages, those are close to the forest, their main economic activity is to collect the forest product and sell in the market. Then they get some money, and with the help of money they maintain their life, lead their life. The forest provides food, yeah, some useful product for the whole human community. But forest provides livelihood, जिसको फॉरेस्ट के ऊपर डिपेंड करके जीना है, यही उसका रोजगार का स्रोत, उस तरह भी लोग होते हैं. Those peoples living near forest, they collect the woods and fruits, some roots, flowers, bark. Those are useful for human being. They sell it and get money and lead their life. And another reason benefit of the forest is forest helps in rainfall, causing rainfall. When the hot wind passes over the forest, here the forest above the forest, the climate is cool. When it passes over the forest, the evaporated water in the forms of the cloud become cold and condensed or changed into rainfall. So the government also expanding the forest due to shortage of the rainfall, and the decrease in the rainfall is due to the deforestation, a less amount of forest. It is now a great concern. So plantation, afforestation now become a main issue of government, public, and different organization. And another benefit of the forest is forest binds the soil particles which stop the soil erosion. You try to uproot a small shrub, a small flower plant. You see the roots of the plant hold a large amount of soil. This is the capacity of the root of the soil, root of the trees, that it holds the soil tightly. And if the forest will be there, It has very big and large number of roots. It binds the soil in one side, in other side it stop the flow of the water. एक तो जड़ पानी मिट्टी को बांध के रखता है, आपस में जब क्रॉस जाली बन जाता है, और सेकेंड जब वो पानी बारिश के बाद फ्लो होके भागता है, फॉरेस्ट का बड़े बड़े पेड़ उसको रोकता है, तो पानी स्पीड नहीं पकड़ पाता है, और पानी का फ्लो स्पीड में नहीं आएगा तो वो फिर मिट्टी को काट के नहीं ले पाता है. Here is 5 or 6 important advantages of forest. You can write easily. Sentences are also small, and 5-6 causes are given, and these are very common causes, may not be new for you. Are you understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Very
Yes, sir.
common reason.
Yes.
Then deforestation. Deforestation means cutting down of forest in a large scale. Cutting of the forest, cutting of the trees from the forest is not bad. Those trees are need to be cut. Means it is old, you can cut this. Or if you need the trees, you can also cut in between the forest area. कुछ कुछ दूर छोड़ के एक एक पेड़ काटा जा सकता है. जो पेड़ बूढ़ा हो चुका है उस पेड़ को काटने से कोई दिक्कत नहीं. But deforestation, cutting down of forest in a large scale without any proper प्लानिंग, बिना प्लानिंग बिना सोचे एक तरफ आप चले गए, वहां से 1 किलोमीटर 2 किलोमीटर का सारे पेड़ को काट दिए, क्योंकि साइड में आपको ट्रांसपोर्टेशन में आसान होगा. यू कैन इजीली कट डाउन द ट्रीज, ब्रिंग इट आउट, लोड इन द ट्रक और ट्रैक्टर, आसान होगा. इन बिटवीन द फॉरेस्ट इट इज डिफिकल्ट टू ब्रिंग इट आउट नियर टू योर व्हीकल. गाड़ी के पास लाने में खींच के कई पेड़ को पार करके दिक्कत होगा, तो इसीलिए पास में साइड से एक तरफ से काटना शुरू कर देते. जगह खाली मिलता है, इनको काट पीट के साइज करके गाड़ी लेके लाद के लाने में आसान होता है. तो डेफिनेशन ऑफ डिफोरेस्टेशन इज कटिंग डाउन ऑफ फॉरेस्ट इन ए लार्ज स्केल विदाउट एनी प्रॉपर प्लानिंग या विदाउट एनी मैनर, or whether it is good or bad. If the existence of forest is beneficial, so much beneficial for us, we studied in the last part, the deforestation is must a bad practice, not good. All those benefits we are getting from the afforestation, first we lose this. Our environment will not be clean, the carbon dioxide amount will be more, there will be no forest to purify the environment, the habitat of the animals will be lost, wildlife will be insecure, they will be killed by the people, there will be more and more soil erosion. The deforestation also will be the result for the low rainfall. बारिश कम होगा. जब फॉरेस्ट रहने से जो जो बेनिफिट होता है, फॉरेस्ट नहीं रहेगा तो वो चीज हम लोग को नहीं मिलेगा. ड्यू टू द फॉरेस्ट वी सी इन द लास्ट स्लाइड, all are good result. very much important. This is the matter of life. So deforestation always hamper the human being, wildlife, environment, ecology, affect to the rain, affect to the soil erosion, everything. So it is a great concern of the government now to control the deforestation and to increase the forest area, because according to the environmentalist, the means one third of the total area, means 33% of the total area should be covered with the forest. Then the environment will be suitable for living beings. But in our India, there is only 22%, less than required amount 33%. 33% तो minimum है. If the forest area will increase, then more benefit we can get. But our existing situation is 22%, 10 to 11% less than the minimum requirement. So to protect the forest cover, to protect the forest area, or to increase the forest area, the government is taking so many steps. Some of the steps are given here. Afforestation or large scale plantation of the trees. Afforestation meaning is given after the or, that is large scale of plantation of trees. This is also called the afforestation. The single term used to afforestation, the description is large scale plantation of trees. The plantation program is going on. You can see in every good occasion, plantation is a noble work. And there are also programs to increase the plantation. World Environment Day, it is celebrated by planting the trees here in our area. But in forest area, the forest department is there. They may planted a number of trees, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000 trees they were planting. Each one plant one policy. It is an encouragement or boost for the public that people must follow this each one and plant one. Everything cannot be left up to over the government. People are cutting the trees for their own benefit, selling it in the market, maintaining their family. But government will plant the trees. So it is very difficult and it is also not possible. That's why there must be awareness among the people, the importance of the forest and the efforts of the people also necessary. लोग जंगल काट के साफ करेंगे, फॉरेस्ट डिपार्टमेंट से चोरी करके मना किया गया जाता है, तभी भी जंगल काटा जाता है चोरी छुपे. और प्लांटिंग करने के लिए बोलेंगे सरकार प्लांट करे. सरकार प्लांटिंग करेगा, 20 इयर्स होना चाहिए ट्रीज को, आप 4 साल में ट्री को काट देंगे, सुखा के बेचेंगे, पैसा कमाएंगे. तो अफोरेस्टेशन संभव नहीं है. इसलिए ईच वन प्लांट वन पॉलिसी, ईच वन एनकरेजमेंट टुवर्ड्स द पब्लिक. ज्यादा नहीं, ईच वन प्लांट वन. एक आदमी को एक ही पेड़ लगाना है, इतने काम हो जाता है. तो इट इज एक्सपेक्टेड दैट a large number of trees can be grown and it will be sufficient for our requirement. and people also will be very cautious about the trees. जब खुद एक पौधे को बड़ा करके ट्री बनाएगा, people can realize the hardship, कितने मुश्किल होता है एक पेड़ बड़ा होना, उसको रियलाइज करेगा और बाकी दूसरा पेड़ को नष्ट करने से पहले हो सकता है सोचे. Next, efficient utilization of forest product and usage of substitute woods. Efficient utilization of forest product. Forest not only gives the woods, forest products, the fruits, flowers, leaves, barks, roots, every part of the trees. Different trees having different tree parts which are very useful for human being. So we should know the utilization of this part, that we can get the direct benefit, and uses of substitute of wood. Substitute of wood means in village area, wood is the forest, nearby forest area villages, they generally use the woods in their fuel. खाना बनाने में लकड़ी जलाते हैं, पास में मिल जाता है, काट के ले आते हैं, 8 दिन में सूख जाता है, अब फ्री ऑफ कॉस्ट में फ्यूल हो गया. और मोस्ट ऑफ द फर्नीचर्स, विंडो, डोर, you can see in your surrounding, they are also made of the wood. Of one tree become such a position, you have to be in such a position that its wood can be used in the furniture. It takes more than 10 years. एक पेड़ 2 साल 3 साल में उसका लकड़ी काटेंगे तो सड़ जाएगा 2-3 साल में. 10 years मिनिमम, उससे अधिक 20-30 years लगता है इस पेड़ को बड़ा होने में, जिसको लकड़ी को काट के आप फर्नीचर बनाएंगे. अब बनाने में 20 years लगेगा, अब आप एक दिन में काट देंगे. नेक्स्ट डे फिर कहां से आएगा ट्री? 20 years लगता है बनने में. So we cannot use more and more woods. It is very time taking to get. So we use the substitute. There are plastic, fiber, aluminum. Doors and windows are also now made of these things. We can use. Then the cutting of the trees, yeah, demand for the trees will be less. Next, enforcement of number of laws, guidelines to protect the forest and prohibit the deforestation. Laws are already there. Various laws regarding the protection of forest and wildlife, both. The Indian Forest Act is there. Time to time there is some changes. The hard punishments are also there. But the enforcement means the application of the law, execution of the law, use of the law, ये ठीक से नहीं हो पाता है. If the law will be implemented in a right way, जैसे इसमें नियम बड़ा कड़ा है, बहुत स्ट्रिक्ट रूल है, अब उसको सही में फॉलो किया जाए, उसी तरह उसमें कुछ लोग जब शुरुआत में आ जाएंगे, then other people will fear. Cutting of the trees is so punishable offense, or punishment is such and such, even may be in jail, जेल भी जा सकता है. इसको इम्प्लीमेंट, एनफोर्समेंट जब बढ़िया से किया जाएगा फिर लोग डरेंगे. बट रूल्स आर देयर but not implemented properly, so people are not fearful for the law and guidelines. last point, discouraging shifting cultivation and causes forest loss. Shifting agriculture is a type of agriculture where one plot of land is cultivated and it is by clearing the forest. The people in the forest area, they clear a forest patch of land, 1 बीघा 2 बीघा जितने जमीन का पेड़ को पूरा काट देते हैं. The trunks are burnt in the field. जो उसका बड़ा सा जड़ होता है उसको जला दिया जाता है, थोड़ा बहुत जड़ नीचे रहता है उसको खोद के निकाल देते हैं, उस जमीन पर खेती करते हैं. And this land is not so fertile. After 2 or 3 years, it is not possible to grow the crops there in this particular piece of land. So what the tribal people or the people living in the forest area do, they generally prepare another piece of land. जमीन तो उसके पास पड़ा है, जंगल है, फिर दूसरा जमीन 3 साल 2 साल के बाद दूसरा एक बड़ा सा एरिया का सारे लकड़ी काट देते हैं, ट्रीज काट देते हैं, तो वहां फिर खेती करते हैं. तो इफ यू कंटिन्यू लाइक दिस, 3 साल में 1 एकड़ का फॉरेस्ट साफ कर देगा एक आदमी, फिर 3 साल में अगला 1 एकड़ का जंगल को साफ करेगा, तो विदिन सम ईयर्स यू क्लियर ऑल द फॉरेस्ट. इसी तरह आप एक नहीं कई लोग वहां करेंगे, कई गांव वहां सब रहते हैं, तो जंगल साफ कर देंगे इसी तरह. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन. शिफ्ट करते हैं, वन जगह से दूसरा जगह को वो शिफ्ट कर जाते हैं. यहाँ खेती किए 2 साल 3 साल, एक जंगल का कुछ एरिया साफ किए, लकड़ी काटे, फिर 3 साल के बाद दूसरा एरिया को साफ करने लगे. तो दिस इज कॉल्ड द शिफ्टिंग कल्टीवेशन. इट शुड बी डिस्करेज्ड. इसको बंद करना होगा. और then the forest loss also may be reduced. So these are the importance of the forest and also the deforestation, the problem in the forest, and also we studied about the measures can be taken to improve the forest area to stop the deforestation. So today time is over.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Keep here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next period I will study about the wildlife. Okay.